It's snowing. Get closer to death. So you can see it. See how nice it is when you zoom in? Yeah, it's snowing out. By the way, it's December 10th, 2013. It's snowing. It's starting to stick on the trees too. See, the trees are all white. Yeah, see? It's snowing, it's snowing. So you can see there's less snow when you... Hey, it's Jason, I'm outside, I'm in the snowstorm. If you want to get a good video of snow, you gotta get closer. You gotta zoom in. See? See, even the flag got snow on it. See, it's sticking on the trees. Yep.